Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to update your Xbox payment method. Go to xbox.com and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Sign into your Microsoft account if prompt. After signing in, click on your profile image at the top right corner again and select my Microsoft account. From the drop-down menu, at the top of the account page, find Payment and Billing, then click on it. Select Payment Options from the drop-down menu. On the Payment Options page, find the card connected to your Xbox account. Next to this card, choose Edit Info to update your card details. Now, update any necessary card information such as expiration date or billing address. Once done, just hit Save to confirm. To add a new card or exchange your payment method, go to the Payment Options page and select Change the way you pay. Then choose an existing card or click Add a new way to pay to enter your details. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.